Hello, so this is another quick tutorial that you can implement if you are looking to grow in your cloud journey. If you are looking for hands-on builds to work on, this is what we do on this channel. I work on the guide, make it readily available for you. You're able to build it at your own pace, and then you grow. Let's test this one out. So this is just a chat application. At the end of it all, you are going to understand how to configure a chat application, the system that works behind the scenes, and all the necessary components that you need to build an application like this, like a real-time chat application. So this, you make use of WebSockets and some couple of services. So this is just a quick demo of the application working. Hello. So yeah, you can see the conversations and all going back and forth. You get it. So by the end of building this project, you are going to understand the infrastructure in AWS that powers this whole implementation and this whole solution. Let me show you the guide that we are going to be working with. But before that, let me quickly walk us through the architecture. So this is what we have. In this, we are looking at a WebSocket using API Gateway. We have a couple of Lambda functions that is establishing the connections. And then we are storing our connection ID, which has a TTL in a DB table. So this is a very simple application on a high level, but the things you learn from this project is well applicable in real world scenarios, and then you can add this to your resume. If you are looking at building this, just check in the comment section or look at the video description, and then you see a detailed guide to this entire application readily available for you guys. If you want to just follow it at your own pace. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. But I would really appreciate if you can drop a like or type in the comment section, build and something like that to help push this video to people who are seeking to grow in their cloud journey. Thank you so much for watching, and then let's meet in the next build. This is Tech with Kobina.